Welcome to Besto LMS, your smart and simple learning management system. In this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the Student Dashboard and its key features. Once you log in to Besto LMS, you'll land on the Student Dashboard. Here, you can view an overview of your attendance, upcoming exams, recent results, subjects, and school announcements. By clicking on View Profile, you can access your personal, academic, and family information, as well as your uploaded documents. You can also edit your profile whenever needed. In the My Timetable section, you can check your class schedule in different views. Under Video Lessons, you'll find subject-wise uploaded video content. In the Attendance section, you can track your attendance performance. In My Report, you can view detailed exam results and performance insights. The Exam section shows upcoming, today's, and completed exams along with helpful study tips. Finally, in the Discussion forum, you can engage in conversations, browse categories, reply to topics, or create a new one to start a discussion. And that's a quick overview of the Besto LMS Student Dashboard, designed to make your learning experience smooth and organized.